Welcome to NeuralExcellence, the revolutionary program designed to unlock your brain's full potential and elevate your life to new heights. Are you ready to enhance your cognitive abilities, boost your memory, and accelerate your learning speed? NeuralExcellence is here to transform your mental capabilities through the power of neuroplasticity and epigenetics. Neuroplasticity is the brain's remarkable ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections. NeuralExcellence leverages this principle to help you rewire your brain, enhancing your focus, problem-solving skills, and emotional intelligence. Hi, I'm Dr. Thomas Winslow. NeuralExcellence is a comprehensive program that activates dormant genes in your DNA, enabling you to achieve a superbrain. Our system includes personalized assessments, targeted exercises, and continuous reinforcement to ensure lasting improvements. Through our carefully structured exercises, you'll engage in memory challenges, problem-solving tasks, and mindfulness practices. These activities are designed to stimulate and strengthen neural pathways, leading to improved mental clarity and decision-making skills. Testimonials from satisfied users. Since starting NeuralExcellence, my memory and focus have dramatically improved. I feel more confident and capable in my daily life. Alan. The emotional intelligence techniques have transformed my relationships and stress levels. I feel more balanced and in control. Callie. With NeuralExcellence, you'll experience enhanced memory retention, sharpened focus and concentration, improved problem-solving skills, heightened emotional intelligence, greater self-confidence, overall life success. NeuralExcellence isn't just about cognitive improvement. It's about achieving a more fulfilled, balanced, and successful life. Our users report greater satisfaction in their personal relationships, career achievements, and overall well-being. Join the NeuralExcellence community today and unlock your brain's full potential. Visit our official website to get started with our special offer. Remember, your purchase is backed by our 60-day money-back guarantee. Don't wait, transform your life with NeuralExcellence now. NeuralExcellence, elevate your mind, excel in life. Try NeuralExcellence, click link in description below.